And good morning. Yes, I am in the new Rivian truck. We're headed up to Asheville today for an appointment, and then a little south Asheville for another appointment today. Let's set the navigation, see if it'll find where we need to go here. AB Tech. That's where we're headed today. Right here, okay? See what the nav has to say. That's pretty good. 45 miles and 54 minutes. I think we're good. All right, this will be the first time I've taken the Rivian from my house. I arrived with it from Atlanta at the delivery center a few weeks ago. I took it over to the AP3 guys to get it paint protected, ceramic, and windows tinted. So we're ready to go. I may have one issue, however. I've driven a lot of vehicles in my time. This one is abnormally gear noise prone or something. It's very I don't know what to tell you. You can listen for yourself. So let's go. We got ways to go, and we're burning daylight. One of the cool things about Rivian is it drives just like my Tesla. Foot on the brake, put it in drive, we're good to go. None of this start-stop baloney. Let's roll on down the driveway. I put it in wideband mode so we get the best audio. I'll jack it up in post-production. Okay, here goes. Pretty flat driveway. That didn't sound abnormally loud. Sure sounded loud the other day when we brought it back from Asheville. Make that Atlanta. All right, we'll drive it today. I thought maybe there was an issue, but I don't know, other than the wheel is slightly canted to the left to drive straight. That's really the only thing that I've seen. I noticed that when I left the delivery center and on the way to AP3. But if that's the only abnormality, that's cool with me. All right, well, I'm headed up. I've got 45 miles to go. Let's do it. We are up here on Saluda Grade, headed up to the Asheville area. And we're running, that has to change. Coming to pass a truck and it jams the brakes on. Anyway, have a listen here. This is what it sounds like doing 73. It's a little fast, but let's listen. Got some wind noise, got a little motor noise. Other than that, it's maybe okay. We'll find out. Got 35 miles to go. We're up here in Hendersonville, actually Flat Rock to be exact. wind noise. You can hear noise from the tires on the road. Driving nice, other than my crooked steering wheel. It's all right. That's it. That's not bad. The cruise control seems to, if there's a big truck or a couple trucks, has a little rough time passing them. It always jams the brakes on, so I don't know if something needs to be calibrated yet or not. I don't know. Looks like it's overcast day today. Weather is reasonable temperature. I don't know what it is. It's probably listed here somewhere. 57 outside. We're up here at Interstate 40 now. Got through all the construction. Just transitioning north of Interstate 40 on...
Keep right to take Interstate 26 west.
What she said. We are off on Amboy Road. Relatively smooth. Just about at our destination here at AB Tech.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Meadow Road.
There's a little ASMR for you.
Turn right onto Meadow Road. In a quarter mile, turn left onto Victoria Road. Turn left onto Victoria Road. In a quarter mile, turn right.
Well, there you go, another chunk of ASMR. Appointment done. Doesn't that thing look good? It's all wrapped and clean. Just wait till I get it dirty. Just leaving AB Tech to the north. I am headed to get a Scottish breakfast. It's not too far away from here. I've got to drive through the hospital parking lot, but it's kind of screwy here with all the roads. The hospital is there across the street, but it's grown to a point where it's gobbled up all the available land here north of AB Tech, so it's all right. It's funny, if you listen close, you can hear what sounds like the shocks, the air shocks. They go weet, 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 weet. This is the ASMR version, so you can hear what the R1T sounds like. I am driving one pedal, so you get the benefit of hearing that. You will hear my hand slide occasionally on the wheel. That's not the truck making that noise.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the McDonald's app today?
Not today.
Alright, what can I get started for you?
Let me start with an Egg McMuffin,
Yes, sir.
a large coffee with 2 creams.
And what else for you?
That should do it.
Alright, egg McMuffin and a large coffee. Your total is $5.97.
Awesome, thank you.
Thank you.
We are ready for our next location. That's Papa's and Beer Mexican Restaurant. It's not too far away. It looks like 8 miles. Got to get up on Interstate 40. We'll do a little bit more ASMR once I'm up on the highway.
In 1 mile, take exit 33. In 500 feet, turn right. Turn right.
And the Rivian even fits in the Taco Bell drive-thru without banging anything. Well, as long as you don't run into it, you're good. My task is done. Let's go see Richard. He might be around. Heading down to Flat Rock, North Carolina. I made it back home. It's a good day. Got some errands done today. I will tell you that the Rivian is a truck. It works like a truck. It even sounds like a truck. You heard it. You heard it on the highway. You heard it on the off-roads. You heard it uphill, downhill. You heard exactly what it sounds like. There's nothing wrong with it. It has a little bit of motor noise, but that's what trucks sound like. The Rivian is absolutely no different. Anyway, I'm very happy with the sound. You heard it yourself. You heard it going uphill, downhill. You heard it on the highway, smooth highways, rough highways. You even heard it going through the Taco Bell drive-thru. All in all, I think the Rivian passes in my book. It's quiet. It is a comfortable ride, and all in all, I really like it. It makes a really great truck. If you like today's video, give me a like, and if you would, please subscribe. Don't forget, if you're looking to buy a Tesla, the referral link is back in operation. Down here at the bottom of the screen, you'll see my referral link. Feel free to use it. Pass it on to friends that are looking to buy a new Tesla. They will gain points when they do that, and they make out and I make out. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. A little different, little ASMR. Let you hear exactly what I heard. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next video, and take care.